Minute TV, TSMPA, Nwabo Brapa.
Abusafo, enti aban we betumi aka no krese COVID-19 fake test results are ekoso. Ewo ahoho a efiri baabi ba ne Ghana fo ewa buruchi omo ba omo man mu ni omo mpese omo free ha ekono. Enti aban we pese o kirese onim ho hwe. Eya awira ho sempa o. Afen we hia me amidin ede na naba keifa. Still, okuma duosia ba ya me ntedi nsem tada nta takura kakra ba nsempum mpopuru ntwamani so. Aban bia ba wo kronfo. Nanso NPP aban we on their second term no abrande krono enutimi me from so omo yes scamming government. Omo obi a sebe utimi ma obi nya gidie ewo mu. Se wo betimi ayesei na ebewi akire se ye nada na wo de dodo nipa no wo ne ye frɛ wo scammer. In fact, Ghana for Toma NPP aban on the second term having the belief and the fear say na na do de ba ade frɛ no ketas hyɛde na ban we ebechi akromfo nyina agum. Minim se na second coming of NPP ye na na do ne ba womi aban no. Se na rather ye sheda graduate scammers. Ye sheda tetew krono in the name say ubetimi abɔ man no krono ne still ye boy nsem ma. Ubetimi awie o man no na still ye boy nsem ma. Ye boy nsem ma because kwan afa so wiae no eyade e kire sampa unim krono bo. He de ekoso ni. Enti video a circulate around. Enti COVID-19 test centers ahodo no. Kwan omo faso ebu amanfo faso. Eji omo sika nkakra. Ese detaining omo waste omo time no aban pese wo kire se woni ho hwe. Video ya omo se etwagui. Enye video a sabi ABS obenya hwe nemo mekasa sia me de beto aso. Se wanya anhwe wo Facebook a wobetimi akọ YouTube o Minute TV. Ebeto aso tententen mo nya the whole of the video na eden ahwe. Sa video ye nua ba bi a ofa COVID-19 72 hours test no mu ya wono free outside e ba Ghana wo ye negative na obedu Ghana no ye testing no se wo ye positive no se how afa kikiri na o se ye ma ne koda hotel and hotel na okoda no according to said ye nkire muti and said ye si atete free Ghana for bebre ano no eyade omo ne hotel na collide na omo ye search business because okoda hotel na for that 3 days, no, you are paying more than 1,500. Apart from that, no, test a yina obey biya so yesanji usika. Now, why yasam wako laboratories are all be rem so ye do usika. I didn't know my Ghana Edru say open scamming, open stealing, and as I say, Edru. And of course, at the center, sir, SSA eba where they are buying no pay. No pay, the no enye. Na wonim yenua baya nso test ne dia wo ye negative wonum so results no kire se wo ye positive the same test ayina so ne yede ne yede efamu aden ne ekoso sei ye hwe yenua baya ma ba kwa wo free north woni ni nua no be 6 bi a me fan say omoye victim onu nso koe se okwa akoye test na eja wafam ni time aso na wako ade a was o2 by 24 hours after the test no okoye test no yesi wo positive obi o positive no yesi okoha ko hu doctor wi ko ha ko yesi no na covid na ewa bruchi no eye different che covid na ewo Ghana hanana yesi da bi no na covid bi yesi obi ye covid-19 positive a ye man visit offices bebrebe sa yesi o wodi ko hu won okoha test webu onko okoha test webu onko na doctor atwere aduro bi ama na tuaka na wasan ma bibi ama chese endura de ma no nwuran ye ne good screen anim no ade na koso Ghana sei wonim de enti a me say this time maya madwen se metumanu asi na ado na ban ho no na ado aban ye aban bi a abusuafo efiri amanone eba bebre ye se ye prema NPP aba power me family ka ho bi me family ka ho bi ye prema NPP aba power na ketase hye proye krono a ekoso wo John Mahama mamuom no ye putu an end to it magana ya fa hodie adi abusuafo COVID-19 na nanado de aye test no mpo no ebeje na nanado titua so se wo se sisika wagye free o man yi ho bosi a wabo aye timing bomb so sesi ene de ode ya fam a me calculate se Nanado yes dada na yeti ye fie no wa be brand krono no na emum wonye wode say corruption ho hwe ede na ekosi adenti na o se Ghana ye kokoduru sei asem we ye yinua no ma wu abrochi su ya wonu masu bo ho dawuro esu kira ban say na wonu mo famu COVID-19 test no ye ba ku bi ase na moje enye 300 cedis or so ufi outside bar na ye jama $45 but wo ye o Ghana ha 300 Ghana cedis or so enti butim di nipa ba ku FM e ma ye about 3 times test of which you know very well say nipa no e negative na mu proof ni say wo ye positive mode ne fama agigigi ni sika wi a mo be kwa test na ba na mo hu se nipa nani abre no na afi maka chese wo ye negative adai edi professor must tiase ya na se sepsifo se customfo edi boni a wono akasa kɔ hɔ ekɔ kire sade ni boasiefu eni anamwa wotu ye no eti Ghana ye ni omampani ti se Nanado time na wo opposition no anya wo fe anso wani Ghana no kreni NPP aban we die mo ma Ghana for nse sifem fi se Ghanaians voted for you in 2016 and a COVID no ma mo sympathy vote Ghana for e de ani bre okom ne yaw ene nyam mu gidie se mo de mo ba ye ho beto yen na de ba ko amisu hu ne se omo fra brochi ba ya omo se na COVID Nanado aban uguru ho obechi watum anti Ghana for ye kromfo nti me mpese ye de me bekọ akoto position bia no ama Ghana ni bekọ abeba bebokro no na ye wi ahye me ajama busuafo amoye sa mo ha me o na nka ose mo ba mo ban Nanado no o brande krono no na mo benya biwia na yenso ye nya bi edi Nanado me ka be sise wa ban no enti de ekoso no wonim se chief of corruption wo na say waji atena so because of manum nsem ne nsem amokaye ene se de yesi nya mugidie se mode mo ba ade e frɛ ne se krono pa mu krono eso beti na nti aban a wote so ye mpɛ no ye pam no na mo bae share video no ka kire Nanado wo se media menya akoda me best screen ne so bedi natem na mo me be ka de ekoso wo no na ban mu ne de ne nkrofo ye ne de kire no ede na ekoso wo Ghana yi adentia eti Ghana je betena ase ama say NPP wo so yi oboye krono saa na NDC fo so atena kire ahwe strategy omde be ba be wi o man yi chese nyese bia ye wo political party bia ye leader so say owo chese bibi party bre ye o nti na say ato ye ne kasa no because bebre be nyina Nanado ku ye ebre ezu no enyese ye wani da so eti say ye ma ye ni amre se de ye be ya emra bi be ye adwuma no ma hyase affect the constitution ama judiciary system no so aye adwuma na nipa bi a obebo oman yi kro no in fact emra na so ni mu ni na di ama sabe breduasa obi asuro na Ghana fo ahyase adi mra so a ebe ha adwen media masem nyina ne se Nanado se wada nyane na hyase ama judiciary any constitution no eniema binum ne mrafo binum e favor politicians na favor citizens no muntungu na ni nyina aka ho enema obi a obehu ntamochi no ombo oman yi kro no de hyem na se mo anso na mo bo a etwa age mo a wati share video no na ka kire Nanado ne na ban se de ekoso no Ghana for ya bre.
Good afternoon Ghana for, or good afternoon all. I just came from I traveled from outside and I got in yesterday around 11 something after a transit which was very stressful, and then I got here. Instead of everything to go smoothly for me to get home, this is what happened. When you're coming down, you're supposed to be doing a 72-hour test, or what they call the 3 days test, to prove that within the 72 hours you are COVID free, which I did that. And then the 3 days ended last night when I got here. So that means I was in the clear for the 72 hours. Apart from that, I have had 2 COVID vaccines from where I came from. And then my certificate proves that I'm negative. And then I got to Ghana And then they did their test there. I was with my 6-year-old daughter. We all did the test in the UK negative, and then we got here. She came through negative, and then I came through positive. That I don't get and I do not understand, because I had my 72-hour COVID test. Anyway, I came down here, and then because of that, I was supposed to go to self-isolation, a hotel called M Plaza. Only God knows Nipa or benefited from them M Plaza hotel, from this fake thing that is going on. Now, luckily for me, or fortunately, I travel with one of these that is being given to us in the UK. It's being used by teachers, nurses, school children, university students. You do a test with this twice in a week to prove that you are COVID-free, and then you can go to school, or you can go and teach, or you can go and work. This is what we use. It's called lateral flow test. These are the kits. This is the cassette that is in that you do your test with. This is the one that you take your swab with. This is where you dump your waste, and this is the one that you squeeze everything in and just do your test after. So I have done one. I'm leaving it on the side, but I'm coming to do another one, and then let's see what is happening, because they have told me even if I do this, they are not going to accept it. They still want me to pay 3 days or 3 nights, 500 Ghana and more for 3 nights in this bloody hotel, until they ask other people to come on Sunday or Saturday to come and do another test. What is the proof that after that test, they won't tell me that I'm positive? Because they are faking the whole thing just to get numbers up, to get money from whatever country, God knows. Now I'm coming to do this test again. Now the one that I did already is here. I'm going to put that on the side. I'm going to get a new cassette. This is it. There's nothing on it. As you can see, there's nothing on it. I'm going to place it on here. One of the liquids that goes in it. Exactly how they do it in the airport. This is the liquid. I don't know what computer they use. This is the liquid that I'm going to squeeze in. It's here. This is my whatever that I'm going to take the swab with. So it's here. This is what I'm going to squeeze the swab into it. I'm going to put it here. Now, there's nothing in it, as you can see. I'm going to put it here. Then I'll take my swab. That's the waste. Now, this is it. Now I have bent the end a bit. So, in order for anyone not to say, oh, nah, I didn't cry, this is, I'm going to throw it away and get a new one. This is it. Now, that's a fresh one, straight. Now, I'm going to put that into my nose or my throat first and into my nose, as they do it exactly. I'm not going to be looking at the camera because I don't want anyone to see my throat. So this is how it goes. You see how stressful this thing is, and when they finish, they give you nonsense results. Now I'm going to put it in my nose. Now, this is the water. I'm squeezing it here. It's gone in there. So I'm going to dip my swab in there and then keep moving it about until everything is gone in there. And this is exactly how you see them doing it at the airport. going to break the thing. Try to break it. It's not happening anyway, so okay, I'm going to press it there, and then I'll leave it on the junk thingy. Okay, now I'm going to press it into the cassette. Like I showed you before, there's nothing on there. Now I've pressed, or I've squeezed my liquid in there. So now I have to wait and then give it like 30 minutes and see what is going to happen. I would love to wait with you, but okay, in order for anybody to see I've gone to fake anything, let me just sit here watching this thing. Let me actually turn the camera for you to see what is happening. Now, as you can see, this thing is almost like, well, just like a pregnancy test kit, and you see it happening right there. Now, the C sign on the paper or the instructions says that it's negative. Let me actually go and then let me take for you to see what do you call it, the paper where it says that no, this is it. C is negative, as you can see, positive, 2 lines and all that, as you can see it yourself. So C is negative, and then the 2 lines positive with the T and all that. And 1 also means that it's a void resource. So T and C is positive, only C is negative. T alone is void. So now let's go back to my results. Now that is the one that I've just done, and this is the one that I did before I demonstrated this one. So I have 2 cassettes here showing a C, which is a negative result. So how come? Please see you. I beg mpacho one share. I want to one share, ma'am. I feel immediately if one am is abemeni, mum come konkasa na ya abofun kra. What's the answer, mdodo? After the Madi 2 year Martin Hamaye, our nan na do airport no machine or airport no otum ketcham de me nya COVID. Paper no wa print we a na was a dodge na was a dodge the nam chen ibi so onda ba sama oh bra telema chede me huma word pa me newspaper no wode wa ko gina chen bra o resource no or ye COVID ma me hwa paper no won fa nkyerɛw na wode wo passport na wo bibia aka ho na wode nanama na ye do ko discussing center ye do ko hade na wode nyipa wo yo aka kyerɛ kita foreign passport is a no beda M Plaza na tua 500 Ghana and over friend a night. Apart from that, na de chen obasa no be repeat test no. Na we hu dey say no kworo so onye no kworo no. Na wo ma 3 days, 3 nights na da hotel. Na tua almost 1700 Ghana cedis. Wa bra e ba be yazu okrom na asa no we kira akọ. Na wo wi a Saturday ni say wo ba so obe fake Canada results so obe dey no you don't even know because wa aka try dey say wo ba na so a positive Saturday na be say na tena ha na the 14 days wa ha dey. Abe say na sem suni. Aze bie na maye hwe aba ko hwesam na wo ho ho nkotin wo machine ne se de positive won bra mba ya de ne biom na ye hu susu a hey wo se ye ntwan 3 days ansa wasa na ba ye test biom ni no so na se na nyim hwe hefa na wo ahwe nkofo mba wo do na kopantan se dormitory se hostel o sa be na wa ye wo no wo de nkofo mba kwa kogu ho do won konko da nkofo wa wetu won kwan wo ba wa be ye wona zina wa kono wo de wona kogu ho na chede enyi sika e ba beda M Plaza na che wo wa kotu kukobu M Plaza no ye wona za e ba politicians za e ba ban benefit o nya wo de M Plaza no onye yende ebufu sama akwa ehwifo akoshufu a wo buman ehwifo akoshufu adabrabafo asansafo a wo buman I don't know where Ghana fukra wo kugina ehwiem woto madam ehwifu ehwifu na wo mma
Minute TV, TSMPA, Nwabobra Pa.